I am Murli Kakarla. I am the founder and CEO for a company called InnoBox. We are into very niche product development solutions. As part of the GBG, I am one of the GBG managers for Hyderabad chapter. Um, our objective for GBG in Hyderabad has been to empower micro, small, and medium entrepreneurs to get them online. There are surprisingly a large number of entrepreneurs like mom and pop stores, single shop owners that have businesses running, but they don't know how to leverage internet. A lot of people think it is very expensive. A lot of people think there is a lot of unknown out there. So we want to help them with all the right tools and methodologies to help them get online, improve their business. If they want to grow their business using online presence, we want to definitely improve them. That's been the primary objective. I'm doing this as part of my own personal interest, part of our corporate social responsibility as well. We want to build awareness. Primarily, this is a launch event. That's one reason why we are bringing in all the entrepreneurs into this location. But going forward, what we want to do is associate with there are a lot of micro, small, medium enterprise associations. Like you go to Balapur, you go to other places where there are already entrepreneurship associations out there. So as part of that ecosystem, we want to go provide all our trainers, go there and do it. For this year, we have internally probably about 50 to 60. If we can get entrepreneurs online, that would be a wonderful achievement. Going forward, we also have not just getting people online, but also encouraging them to use a lot of tools and methodologies like AdWords to do ads. So there are a lot of free software as well available out there. So we'll keep improving upon the content provided in these sessions and start attracting a lot more entrepreneurs into this program. Can encourage other people as well. But right now the focus has been people who have been doing it. Let's say there's a woman entrepreneur out there who's actually doing rotis at home and then selling it to a few shops, right? People like that who have been already doing it, it's easier for them to benefit from this program already. But if there are people who are willing to do it, if the infrastructure like this is provided, we'll also help them. That will not be a problem. We also have a very strong backing from GSA, we call them Google Student Associates. They also help us with getting people online. Google provides us with resources in terms of speakers and tools and methodologies. So we will leverage all the channels possible to enable the entrepreneurs and get them online as much as possible.